got into this box, and now I want to go downstairs. I'm kind of scared.
Your back says goodbye like you're gonna die.
I'm so scared. She's gonna die.
If you turn on and off the lights.
Funny. Oh. Carpet burn on my leg. This box is too small for me. That was so funny. Yeah, just hilarious. Yeah, because entries near life experiences are always funny. You done? No.